Last thing we're talking about, turn to page 3. It's the last thing we're talking about today. Multiplying fractions. You have on the top, it says A over B times C over D equals blank. Right?
Yeah.
When you're multiplying fractions, you multiply the tops and put it over, you multiply the bottoms. So your top will actually be A times C, and your bottom will be B times D. And there's actually 2 ways of doing these. We're skipping the next line. If there is a blank blank, I want to talk to you about that after I show you. Okay, with me so far? We wrote A times C over B times D. Yes. We're good so far. So we have practice A, or example A, is 3 over 8 times 4 over 7. I'm going to show you both ways of doing this. So I want you to divide that box in 2 so that we can do both ways. See how I divided mine in 2? I want you to divide yours in 2. The first way, we're going to multiply first. Okay? What is 3 times 4? 12 over 12 over what? 56. Well, we talked about simplifying fractions, right? And I want your answer always in simplified form. So how did we talk about simplifying fractions? Breaking them down, right? 12 is what? Okay, how can I break down the 6? Good. So my top will be 2 times 2 times 3. 56 breaks down to what? 8 and 7. Which one of those breaks down? Into? And which one of those breaks down? Into 2 and 2. So we have 2 times 2 times 3 over 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. Okay? What would we cross out there? How many of them? 4. 2 on top, 2 on bottom. And I'm left with what? 3 over, what's 2 times 7? 14. Does that make sense? That's a long way. That way will work, but there's a better way. Do you see here? I'm going to write this one a little bigger so we can see it better. We have 3 over 8 times 4 over 7. That 4 and that 8 have a number. I can divide them both by. What can I divide both those by? 4, right? Do it at this step. What's 4 divided by 4?
1.
What's 8 divided by 4?
2.
Now if you do that multiplication, 3 times 1 is 3, and 2 times 7 is. That's the quicker way. If you see a number on the top somewhere and a number on the bottom, and you can divide them both by something, do it. That way it's going to save you a lot of steps. If you can't see that right away and you'd like to do it the other way,